Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to remove the background from any image. So first you subscribe to my channel, and then we will see with one website and one very easy thing how to remove the background from any image. I have an image here like this, and we will remove its background. So first we go to remove.bg, and then this is the website. This website has some explanation what's doing, like just to upload the image or drop the file. You can paste the image or the URL, like just doing Ctrl plus V, and it explains how it does the process of removing the background. You can create an account here just by clicking to the sign up with Facebook and Google, but we will do the process without doing that. So I upload desktop, and as we can see, it has removed all the background of the image, and this lady is now on our image. We can download it, and the extension is like a PNG, and we have our image without the background. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye.